Today we're going to do some day hiking in the Midewin National Tallgrass Prairie. It was established in 1996 by the U.S. Forestry Department, and it's the first national tallgrass prairie in the United States. It was created from the former Joliet Army ammunition plant. It was closed for years while the Army cleaned up contamination from decades of TNT manufacturing. As you'll see some of these bunkers later on that they used to store the TNT in. Today there's 30,000 acres that are open to the public, which includes 30 miles of hiking trails. Well, it was almost a bad start to the trip. I get here and the gate's closed. I guess they're doing some prescribed burns, get rid of the invasive species. So I tried to access it from the off-road access, and a ranger pulled up and said, "You going hiking?" I'm like, "Yeah." She's like, "Well, be careful, they're burning." I'm like, "Yeah, I know, I've seen that already." She goes, and I was telling her where I'm going. She goes, "Well, you can park over there by the gate that's closed, just stay off to the side." So I'm like, great, because this is the original route I wanted to take. That would have added, I don't know, a lot of miles. Guess I gotta hop the fence. Man, they really been burning. Restoring it to tallgrass prairie, little by little. Takes years. Well, let's go find these ammunition bunkers. Wow, here's a statue and monument dedicated to all the people killed in the June 5th, 1942 explosion. And then there was a March 24th explosion also. Let's go check this bunker out since it's right here. Well, usually it's super green with grass, but they did all this burning. Concrete ammunition bunker, steel doors. They used to store TNT in these. Wow, this one is open. All right, let's go on in. They're vaulted. Wow. Concrete super thick. They're staggered, so if there was an explosion, there wouldn't be a chain reaction. And they were covered with dirt to regulate the temperature and to make it hard to see from the air, just in case during the war, WW2, any of the enemy's planes got this far in. They wouldn't know what the hell they were looking at from the air. Wow, pretty wild. 2-inch thick steel doors. All right. Well, let's finish the loop. I believe it's 3.5, 4 miles when it's all said and done. Hard to imagine this place as a bustling explosives manufacturing plant. I mean, trains were in here and everything. It's pretty crazy. Well, in spring, I'm sure this place will green up again. Yeah, okay. They locked it. It was open last year, 63-1. And this one has the handles. You can lock someone in if you wanted to. This is the area they have the buffalo in. See if we get lucky and see any. I doubt it. The viewing area. See any buffalo again. I have friends that have seen them. I personally think they're lying. There ain't no buffalo in here. Kind of surreal looking. Well, it'll be nice to see some greenery growing back again this summer. I like taking the mountain bike out here. There's some pretty good trails. The Henslow, that's a nice one, and there's others. So yeah, that's it. They do have restrooms here, information board. They actually even have rental bikes, which I find strange, but done for the day. I don't know, maybe a 4-mile hike. Started to get really windy out. And hey, there's